Good morning students. In the previous lecture we discussed about the how to find the subtraction and addition between two matrices. In this lecture we find the value of x, y, z. For example, we have a question. A matrix is given x plus y plus z is equal to 9, y plus z is equal to 5, y plus z is equal to 7. Now write these equations. Y plus z is equal to 9, x plus y plus z is equal to 9, x plus z is equal to 5, y plus z is equal to 7. Name this equation number 1, number 2, number 3. From equation number 3, find the value of. From equation number 3, we note that y plus z is equal to 7, and equation number 1, x plus y plus z is equal to 9. The value of y plus z is equal to 7. Put this value of 7 in this number equation number 1. X plus 7 is equal to 9. The value of x is equal to 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. The value of x is equal to 2. Put the value of 2, equation number 2. X is equal to 2. Put this value in equation number 2. X plus z is equal to 5. The value of x is equal to 2. The value of z is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Put this value of z in equation number 3. Value of z, y is equal to 3, y plus 3 is equal to 7. The value of y is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. The value of y is equal to 4. The value of x is equal to, or z, value of z is equal to and y. In this type of matrix, we given that the matrix 1 0 3 x y 1 0 2 is equal to 5 1 6 8. First of all, multiply these two in this element. 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. 2 multiply by 0 is equal to 0. 2 multiply by x is equal to 2x plus y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 1 6 8. Now add these elements. 2 plus y, 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2x plus 2 equal to 5 1 6 8. The value of y is 2 plus y is equal to 5. The value of y is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now from this equation, 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8 minus 2. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. This is the value of x and y. Thank you. Hello students. Now we discuss about how to find the product of two matrices. We have two matrices A and B. A matrix having element 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2, and B matrix having element 2 1 3 minus 3 0 1. The order of matrix A is equal to 2 by 3. The order of matrix B is equal to 3 by 2. Now we find the product of this matrix. The product is noted by AB. the order of this product matrix is equal to 2 by 2. This is from this. First of all, we multiply first row of matrix A multiplied by matrix B, first column. 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6, plus minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 3 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to minus 9. Minus 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 2. 0 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to 3. 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Now add these elements. 6 minus 1 plus 9 is equal to 14. Minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is our result. Now we find the value of k like in this type of matrix. First of all, we given that the two matrix and equal to 7k 11 23. First of all, we multiply these two matrix. The order of this matrix is equal to 2 by 2 and the order of this matrix is equal to 2 by 2. The order of product matrix is equal to 2 by 2. First of all, 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3, plus 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. 2 multiplied by is equal to 5 is equal to 10. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9, plus 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Is equal to matrix 7k 7 11 k 23. Three plus 4 is equal to 7. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 3 plus 20 is equal to 23, equal to 7k 11 23. From this, the value of k is equal to 17. This is our answer. Thank you, students.